In today's video, I will be teaching you about the different shortcut options in the Zuper mobile app. Here we are at the dashboard. In the top of the dashboard, you see Schedule, Announcements, Scan, and New. Let's select Schedules. Once we select Schedules, any jobs that we have scheduled for the current day will show up here. We also have the option to change the view of the schedule. Let's select the month view. These are the scheduling shortcuts. Let's head back to the dashboard. Now let's select the announcement shortcut. Once selected, we see any announcements that have recently been made or that have been made on the current day. We also have the scan shortcut. When we select the scan shortcut, it enables us to scan a QR code for our inventory items. Finally, we have the new shortcut option. Once selected, we have the option to make a new job, create a new customer, create a new quote, or to create a new invoice. These are the shortcut options in the Zuper mobile app. Thanks for watching.